Hi students, good morning one and all. So dear first standard students, in previous class we read about greater than and smaller than. So how can you find greater and smaller number? When you compare between two numbers, that time you find which one is greater and which one is smaller. All of you remember this like this. For example, I take 3,479 and 6,739. So which one is greater and which one is smaller? How can you find? When you compare between this number to this number. So you can compare from thousand place, means from your left side. Here 3, here 6. So 6 is greater, so you put greater symbol. So how can you find greater than and smaller than? By comparing between two numbers. So today we are reading about ordering of numbers. So let's start. Ordering of numbers. Ordering. So how can you order the numbers? In the case of greater than and smaller than, so you compare between two numbers. But in case of ordering numbers, you compare between the all given numbers. If there is given 4 numbers, then you compare all these 4 numbers to order them. How can you order? We can order the numbers in two ways. That is ascending order. Another is descending order. Ascending order and descending order. So now you think what is ascending order and what is descending order? All of you read from second standard ascending order and descending order. So if you forget about ascending order and descending order, so you go through my playlist. There is one second standard video in which we properly discuss about ascending and descending order. So watch this video again. So now I just tell in short. Ascending and descending. Ascending means from small to big, and descending means big to small. So what is small to big and big to small? Small to big means when you ordering given numbers, then you should start from small number, then the big number, then more than big this number, like this you arrange. That is called ascending order. Then descending order means big to small. For example, I take here 6, one digit number I take for your understanding, 9, 5, 7. These 4 numbers is there. This is all one digit number. Now I arrange these numbers in ascending order and descending order. Ascending means small to big. So you have to find from these 4 numbers which one is small. You can find here 5 is small easily. So first you write 5. Then after 5, which one is small? Just cancel it. Remaining 6, 9, 7. So 6 is small. So write down. Then now 6 cancel. Then between 7 and 9, 7 it cancels, and remaining 9. So this is ascending order. I write the number in ascending order. In the same way, you can write descending order. So descending order is just opposite of ascending order. Means it is small to big, this is big to small. If I write this number in descending order, means first I have to write big number, means 9, then 7, then 6, then 5. So this is written in descending order, means big to small. All of you understand? Ascending, descending. Ascending means small to big, descending means big to small. So now solve some questions. So now we ordering the number all 4-digit numbers. For example, one example is given here. I do it first. That is example A. 8,000. First one is 8,316. Then 8,000. This is one number 8,316. Another is 8,573. Another one is 8,540. Then another is 8,370. So here 4 numbers are given. Now I order this number in both way, ascending order and descending order. If you find one ordering, means that is if you find ascending order, then you can easily write descending order. This is the opposite of ascending. If you can find first descending order, then you find ascending order easily, because it's the opposite of descending order. So first ascending order. Ascending order I can write as A O. Ascending, A for ascending, O for order. So first I write ascending order, means small to big. Small to big. So now we have to find here which one is small number between this. Am I right? So same way, how can you find which one is greatest and smallest? You should compare the place value. Am I right? Again I repeat, how can you find greater number and smaller number? You can compare the place. So here also same thing you do. You should compare the place of all the numbers. Then you can find which one is smaller and which one is greater. So first thing is, you have to count the digits. So he see here 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4. So all are 4-digit numbers. Then after you move to place, first you count digits. So all are 4-digit numbers. So now I move to place. So from which place I should start? From higher place, means that is called here 1000 place is the highest place. From your left side you should start. Now compare the place, the highest place. Here in highest place 8 is present. Here 8, here 8, here also 8. So all are 8. So all are equal. All 1000 places are equal to each other. So next step is you should move to next place, that is 100 place. So here in 100 place 3 is there. Here 5, here 5, here 3. So which one is greater, 3 or 5? So these two cancel, means these two are not small, because already we have 3 in 100 place. So now I compare between this and this, because here in 100 plus 3, here also in 100 plus 3. Got it? So both are till 100 plus, both numbers are same. So now I move to next number. Why I cancel this? Because here in 100 plus 5 and 5 is there. So I compare between this and this to find the smallest one. So here after in tens place, here 1. But here also tens place 1. So in till tens place these two numbers are equal. Then move to next place, that is 6. Here 6, here 7. Now we got which one is smaller and which one is greater. Here 6 and there 7. So which one is smaller? Obviously 6 is smaller. So this number is small. So write down this number first, because we can write first in ascending order. What do you mean by ascending order? Ascending order means smaller to big. So this number is smaller. That's why I write 8,316 first. After that, this number is small, because here 100 plus 3 is there, but here 5. So this write this number 8,370. So this number word is finished and this number word is also finished. So now remaining this and this. Ascending order means always smaller to bigger. So now I find between these two numbers which one is smaller and which one is greater. Compare till 10th place, here 8585 means till 100 place both numbers are same. Now move to next place, that is here 7. Here 4. 7 and 4. Now compare between 7 and 4, which number is smaller. So 4 is smaller, so I write this number first, then write this number. So 8540, then 8573. If you read the numbers properly, then no need to compare place. So if you read the numbers properly, then you can write it easily. 800,317, 800,3016, 8,573, 8,540. From this, 8,316 is the smallest one, then 8,317, then 8,540, then 8,573. So this is written in ascending order, means smaller to bigger. Now you write descending order. Descending order is bigger to small, means the opposite of ascending order. So this number you should write in reverse way to find descending order. So what is the descending order of this question? 8,573, then 8,540, then 8,370, then 8,316. So this is the ascending order and descending of this number. So now all of you go through your book. You can see here these examples is given here. First one is the example, then A, B, C, D, E. 5 questions is given upon page number 18. All of you open. What is written here? Arrange the numbers in each set in ascending and descending order. So this is one set of numbers. These 4 numbers make a set. So these 4 set of number you can make both ascending and descending order. You can write in ascending order and you can also write in descending order. So one example is given here. Then the A1 I already did in blackboard. So the next remaining 4 you can do in your notebook. I hope all of you understood how can you find ascending order and how can you find descending order. If you don't understand, then go through this video once again, watch it properly. After understanding, then try to solve this. If you after that also if you don't understand, you are not able to solve, then you can ask me again through the comment in this video, and you can also contact in WhatsApp also. So before that, another question is left there. Write the smallest and greatest numbers. So all of you know smallest and greatest, but here it will be different. 1 digit odd number, 2 digit odd number, 3 digit odd number, 4 digit odd number, like odd number is given. So all of you know even number and odd number. If you forget about this, I also make one video about odd number and even number in 2nd standard. You can go through this, then you can solve this and this question in a notebook. So this is your homework. I hope all of you understood and complete this. So thank you students.